Good morning. Today is the 30th of November 2021 and today it's just the girls.
Hello.
Hi Jo.
Hello, how are you? Christmas decorations tomorrow.
It is a very exciting time of the year. Starting to look a bit like Christmas.
Oh, we can talk about that stuff. Frank's not here.
Now it's a bit later than normal. It's 20 past 10 Perth time. We thought we'd see if anything improves much. It's great to see the market up. At the moment, it's up 96 points, which is very cool. Not much coming up in scans, though, which is interesting. So I thought we'd leave it for a bit, but yeah, still not much coming up. But let's have a bit of a play with my. First of all, we'll do my usual scan. To see what we get. And we get a whopping 3. Now, IDT, far out, wow. You would have had guts to have bought that. But if you are on board, well done. That has gone off, so I would wait to see what that does now. There's clearly no buy signal. No, it looks like it's in a takeover. Now, STN, this is an interesting one. Not really. It said I drew a pattern. The pattern failed. Yeah. Well, it was a pennant. Now, it needs to have a bit of work to do, so I wouldn't get too excited about that, but maybe put it on your watch list and see what it does, because you could now, if I was really...
interesting.
Yeah, a bit of volume today, you could do a bit of that action, I don't know, yeah, a bit of work to do. Now, so that's it, 3 results for that. I thought we'd do, Frank usually does his high, 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 low, so I thought we'd go in and do that. 7, okay. So today, I guess it's a good day in that the market's up. You could be a little bit creative and have a bit of a think about some different scans to do to maybe try and find some stocks, or you just do your usual, don't find anything and move on, do something else and come back tomorrow. You always do, even though we've had a bit of a volatile ride over the past couple of days, week, you don't need to be having money in the market. Maybe now is a good time to sit back and just watch and have some patience. Anyway, AUR, that's interesting. It's having a bit of a bash at 6.1. Needs to break there. It's quite gappy. It's done a bit yesterday. It's holding today, so that's quite an interesting stock. I probably would add that into a watch list. BDM, that looks pretty good too. You've got definitely higher lows happening here.
Is it broken through?
It has had a go at 27. You've got the big 30 coming up, but I think if you look at depth and do a bit of research on that one, it could be interesting. I'd probably like to see it close above 27 cents personally, but that doesn't look too bad. G88, the other one was probably a bit better, but again, this may just keep bumping its head along this level, 53, 55 cents, and then it might have a bit of a run. Probably 6 cents might be your real buy, so you'd have to see how that formed and what happens with this up to that point. I don't like that one personally. ICN, that looks quite interesting too. It's a bit of a dive today. It looks like there's been a bit of a sell-off, but not a lot. We're only talking $38,000, so it's not a big sell. So if it can find some support around the 2 cent level, and then bump its head along maybe 2.3, you probably want to buy it 2.4. 2.5 even, so that one needs to play out a little bit longer. Yeah, that's got a little bit of work to do. Break a 3.5. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. I like that. That's long resistance here. It's had a go and now it's come up.
Is that a red candle? Sorry, I can't see.
It is a red candle. Yeah. So it's a nice 36.5. I'd like it to close above that level. That would look good. Potential entry tomorrow on that one. Be interesting to see what it does in the next few days for an entry, and that's the 7. So there's a couple today. There are a few you could potentially add into your watch list and keep an eye on.
I do like the look of that one.
Yes,
in particular.
Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, other than that, It's time to get the decorations down and start putting them up, I guess.
Yes.
We've got nothing else to
told me to
do.
be patient, and I can't be patient. So I'll distract myself with Christmas decorations.
And for those of you, Shelf on the Elf comes back tonight. Just a reminder, friendly reminder, Elf on the Shelf, anyone has young children. Anyway, on that note, we'll chat tomorrow.
Bye.